Alright, we're gonna see how pulling that up the driveway does. We gotta go up there. I don't give it much hope. It's, you know, uphill backwards. But we shall see. Let's do 4 low. Alright. Not bad. Look at that. And just hook it to the other tow hook to do the other side. It's pulling, it's kind of going back and forth. I'm also kind of, yeah, there we go. Beautiful. I'll just back out of the driveway here. Pull it out to the street. Meant. Let's reset it. Alright, now I just gotta do the reverse, which is actually forward. Carefully. Pulling it from behind, by the way. Beautiful. Works like a hot damn. There it is. Not bad. I think I'm gonna do another pass and that's about it.